many people know what the Federal Reserve exactly does, but they do know that the Federal Reserve talks about interest rates. Explain to us what the Federal Reserve does in regards to interest rates and how it affects average people.
The Federal Reserve, in effect, manipulates interest rates. I don't mean that in a negative sense, but in order to speed up or slow down the economy. So today, with interest rates being at historical lows, companies can borrow money incredibly cheaply to help them grow. And obviously, the bigger the company is, the cheaper their cost of borrowing is. And this is one of the things that, in my personal opinion, has been helping the stock market this summer.
Low interest rates allow for borrowing, but we hear stories that borrowing is still limited. Can this low interest rate go on forever? What would be some factors that would cause the Federal Reserve to raise these low interest rates?
Well, there's a possibility that rates will start going up when the Fed sees sign of economic recovery. We're not there yet. It's mostly hope right now, and I guess you could say we're waiting for the change. Rising interest rates could also play a factor in the strength of the dollar, or it could be the other way around, and that's something that we'll have to watch for. As an investment advisor, I worry about war or political strife around the world, and if the United States gets involved in another conflict, that could cause interest rates to increase.
Which leads me to my next question, the global economy. How does the global economy affect the Federal Reserve in the decision it makes on managing money?
Well, the Federal Reserve looks at, let's just take Europe for an example. As we hear more and more about the European economy slowing, that is not good for our dollar, and that could cause the Federal Reserve to have to lower interest rates even more. So as much as we hear about these historic rates, there's many people who believe they're going to be even lower.
What would you like for people to do on your website?
We'd like for people to visit our website, and we have some great articles and newsletters that we've archived where you can learn more about this and other subjects.